Hey guys, welcome back to Crity React. Today comedy compilation video is actually blast. So do endeavor to watch from beginning to the end. If you don't watch it from beginning to the end, don't say it's not hilarious. Watch it from beginning to the end and also comment, subscribe if you've not. Alright, without further ado, I don't want to waste enough of your time. Let's dive into this comedy. Oh yeah, let's go.
Security!
Good afternoon, boss.
Take this car. Road rush, I'll go by for a come. I get ready and we go by 2 o'clock. Go fast.
No problem, boss.
Hello, babe.
Guess what?
What is it, babe?
Your husband just traveled now. So you have to come over so that we can spend some time.
Jesus. No wahala, I dey come.
What's going on here?
My husband.
What's going on here?
Jesus. I think they're going for you. Wait, who be this boy?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Jesus. Your wife just bought a car for you. Came to deliver it.
The guy was outside.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Are you sure you're not giving out your car because you're scared? Hey!
Alpha, bro, you did ask for Bini? Yes, I did. No wahala, I dey come.
Yeah, finish me.
This is very sad.
Guys, I want you
This
to
is
your
very,
Bitcoin, your
very
Bitcoin
sad.
card with ROB fast exchange. Yeah.
So because you're afraid of being scared, you dash somebody your car.
Is that not your ex, the genius? You? But wait though, you know just me. What really happened?
My dear, you see this guy, he disrespected me so much in this relationship.
And it's a lie. Very respectful guy.
I almost stabbed when I was with him.
Jesus.
And it's a lie. Very caring guy.
Can I know my offense?
Come on here. He did not buy me in that relationship.
You see, for this life, you
And
don't
it
go
is
person to
a
use
lie.
formal judge
You
person.
see credit that like everybody normally see. He did not credit me one bit.
Blood of Jesus.
I reached to break up. Oh.
And lastly, you see his brief. Very small.
I can't take this. No one will take this.
Your parents just do mistake. Now,
Come and see my
liar.
now.
That is supposed to give you a name instead of
People of now.
My friend.
I don't understand. She make I talk through before.
And it's true.
My sister, you miss her, but you don't miss her.
I miss
You
you.
miss like Bola, but you don't miss her.
And it's true. Were you expecting me to talk true? Like I'll just be telling you the truth. Guess and lies and 5 and 6. Let's go. From Dino Show God, let's go. This one is Obi no budget.
$5 million for what's okay, now $10 million we talk for you now.
Calm down now. We get other artists to endorse.
Yeah, they're expensive.
What did you talk?
$10 million or nothing.
No wahala, sign.
You don't get hurt. You don't get hurt.
Babe!
Waiting.
The baby is craving for music.
Music.
And the baby wants you to sing for him now.
Oh, babe, I'm not a musician. I can actually use iPad to play for the baby. Alpha, relax.
What is that?
Oh no, he's Davido. Baby actually
Devil now you do.
Perform well. Not that much we pay.
so baby actually crave for music.
Where you go?
$10 million or nothing.
Let's have it.
Your body fire, bro.
Bedu. This is actually the low budget Davido and it's acting
I don't hear you well.
Jesus.
Please your volume.
Body like Coco Joe.
Obio, you see the clean? Yeah! How much can I go pay, sir? The place we go end this deal. For $10 million. No one.
I don't like him, I beg.
This is the way I did now. Can I go pay you? Me, I don't tire for this one. Oh.
Babe, it's time for our morning devotion. Stand up.
about the comedy
Obio.
Shake me.
So you stand up, me lead us with praises.
Yeah!
What will be Obio? Why do you sing that one now?
Oga, me, I don't get any gospel song. You don't whine.
Very good. We are take.
compose.
Big record one.
You better compose because I cannot pay that amount.
Ah, my godmother!
No easy.
Mama, the passion in which you cook with should be emulated. It's what emulation. God have mercy upon us.
I'm not hungry. I'm fine.
What's happening?
No, now stop now. I'm hungry.
No, babe, I'm not hungry.
I am hungry now. We're seeing him again now.
Their
Stop
food.
it.
Don't worry.
No, allow me. I'm hungry. Allow me. Let me eat. Mama, allow me. Let me eat. Hey! Chef in a wife. I see this. Chef in a wife. That's all. Hey, Mama. Tell me your wife that you do the part. Is everything okay?
No issue. Just normal husband and wife.
Okay. Let's go.
So you want to tell me that you don't know that this your friend cheats?
Now the same that
You want to tell me you don't know he's carrying men everywhere? You see you? Don't worry. Your cup will be full one day.
and you have already ate that food. I mean, you have already eaten that food. You open mouth, wah. Someone that has answer cannot eat. You say, bring the food. You are hungry. That hungry will buy you today. You are. But this is not pepper soup, sha.
What? Okay.
Mama, I just tell me say there's no problem. How come there's a problem now?
No issue now. Now just small, now.
Minor issue, now cup done the food. Minor issue, now they don't let you stop 13. You say what's in food, you are gone. And after that your cup come food, and after that I come chop for your house. Me and your cup come food the same time. Hey, blood of Jesus. Well.
Guys, calm down. This one will be pepper soup.
My own will be white rice and stew.
Oh my God. And it's true. It can be white rice and stew, it can be beans and plantain, it can be garri and sugar, it can be even on your claro loud. But let's see this one from big guy Mario.
Wait a minute.
Soft. Now jollof rice be that.
Yes, now.
Looks nice.
What am I trying to say?
Pow, chim.
Smells nice too.
Just smell the flavor.
Are you serious?
I don't want trouble.
How? All this flavor was slipped out.
Who knows where I can take my phone?
A good friend.
He knows.
This guy that can sniff anything.
Okay, I trade with PU Exchange. They are the best and the most reliable when it comes to trading gift cards and cryptocurrencies. Their rates are the best in the market.
Okay, I'll trade with them. So guys, meet my baby girl, my girlfriend, Annabelle.
Annabelle is actually pretty fair.
Ah, you look nice.
Stop!
Thank you.
And you smell nice.
Ah!
You smell
You just want to chill. The problem will find you come for where chilling spot.
Oh God. Where on earth can we find this kind of person? How can you sniff something and sniff the living life out of that thing? Let's see this one from Callmiwhizzy, and it's actually
I get by with you.
My son.
So, madam, he's fine now. So you can take him home.
Okay.
Make sure he takes his medication accordingly. And also ensure he stops hard drugs. Is that clear? Yes. You can go.
I'm on a bed, no kiss.
Relax, oh. Relax.
So why they do me like this now? And the day you say I don't wear, maybe you leave me make I go ask. I know they mad again. Just make me this now with mad me for this. I know like I don't wear.
Now so you first talk when we tell release you. When you enter street, they spoil people things, causing issues.
That time I was not okay, but now I am fine.
Okay.
I bet this conversation when we dey get, so don't be two normal people they talk.
Okay. Okay. You say you don't do okay, Abi?
Okay, I don't do okay. I dey fine.
What be this?
Nah, car now, guy.
Drive the car.
Hey! Who thought that one?
Did he shock me?
Okay, you funny. And the things I don't do okay, you follow me there. This is how they crazy. Make I drive the car. Collect your key, Johnny. Drive which car? Can't wait for a new day.
No, come on, no.
Hold on. How can you say there is no 4 in the car? So if there is 4, he will drive the car. Like, how come would there be 4 in the car?
I'm coming. Let me go from later, okay?
This is somehow like, what's going on? But in this company, like, you're going to laugh out loud. It's actually she's a whole
What's the busy girl like you doing under the rain?
I was waiting for my driver. He's always late. Imagine having so many cars and you still have to get drenched by the rain.
Wow, so many cars. Sorry about that, then.
Your house is really nice.
This is one of my houses, actually, yeah. This is where I come to relax and, think. So, what can I get you?
Coffee's fine.
Coffee with milk, right?
Yes,
But I'm coming now.
Thank you.
Good boy and good treatment. Like, this is what gets like. They just want it.
My son, what happened? You get one girl what I see. The girl too makes sense. She too fine. And the blessing that people get money well. So I'm gonna make you tired for me. Make you do anything what I tell them. Don't worry yourself. I'm going to help you. Yes, sir. I find you are Ayala! My son. Sir? Now this girl.
My daughter, why are you here?
There's this man. I want you to lock up for me. He's very, very wealthy. And he's the man of my dreams.
Man of your dreams, very wealthy.
My daughter.
Queen mother.
Look.
Jesus! Hey!
Hey! This guy won't tie you. Now! See the way I won't tie you. Hey! This guy just get money. My guy has not been for a while now.
See, person when one lock.
Continue
you won't
to trenches.
So now one lock on us.
He will shock you. People wicked.
But my own money Baba, you don't work for me. What do I do for you, Nana? Baba, beg man, you don't waste my time. Children of nowadays, we fake life.
Baba, you get why you?
Baba, he get why. He really get why. So what do you think about this comedy? Like, start commenting. What are you guys waiting for? Are you not catching the fun? Are you not being entertained? Let's go. Take away on this one. I was like, get rid of this kind of
Layi, with the way you dribble on my team, you know see score.
Me I be carry ballon your boy go plenty.
Oh my baby, drop me.
Let's watch this video.
Who goes you? Hey! Oh, we are very much allowed. I say who goes you? Jesus!
Who goes bow? No be help, I won't help.
I wonder.
Somebody trying to help you, telling him who's waiting.
Tell me what happened. Na MTN. MTN, what happened? They arrest people where they owe them. Touch you that they arrest people.
Mozkoh,
who they do arrest? They arrest Obende for Joshua. Then arrest Obende.
Jesus.
How much they owe them? Now 1,000 naira. 1,000. They say it's 2 months. He no gree pay. He go break his sim. Jesus. How much they owe? Nobody na me that they find.
There's no need for me to say how much I'm owing. Like, there's no need to tell you the amount I'm owing. But I just know within me that I'm the one they are looking for because I'm owing a lot of cash. I got a borrow joint.
So tell me the truth. Tell me the truth. Are you guilty?
No, barrister. See what thing happen. That day I been dey come, I can't see that thing. I see her for ground. I come like try dodge and I went out.
Wait, what you are saying is that you did not steal it?
No, I did not steal it.
Wait, let me tell you something. There are 2 people you should not lie to. Number 1, you don't lie to your doctors because that is when they will know how to treat you. Are you understanding me? Number 2, don't lie to your barristers. Very, very important. Your barrister and your lawyer, don't lie to them. So that they will know how to defend you in court.
That's true.
I'm here to protect you. I'm here to defend you.
You are trying.
Yes, it's in my position to make you not to go to jail.
Yes.
Are you understanding me?
Yes.
Now tell me the truth, nothing but the truth. Did you steal it?
I differ.
Officer! Don't carry this idiot!
Barrister, what did happen? We shut up. What did happen?
Good.
Officer of the Lord! Esprit du corps! Just 2 years you don't come back,
So this liar just He was just preaching. He was preaching to just set this guy up like crazy.
Father, please forgive me for I have sinned. My child, you are in the presence of the Lord. Confess your sins and it shall be forgiven. Father, last week Friday, I go carry 2 girls go my house, and they no be my wife who do something. Father, I don't commit fornication. Your sins are forgiven. Father, I bear false witness against my friend. I lie for my friend head now. My friend don't go prison.
That's very bad.
Well, there's no kind of sin that the Lord cannot forgive.
At all.
He will forgive you and make your sin as white as snow. Your sins have been forgiven. Father, 3 days ago, I go person compound, I go thief goat.
Huh?
You stole somebody's goat?
What did you do with the goat?
How many of the goats did you steal? I thief 10 goats. 10 goats? Yes. What are their colors? 5 of the goats now black, 5 of the goats now white. Where are the goats now? Day before yesterday, I killed 6 goats, I chop them. Oh my God. You ate 6 goats? Yes, Father. Just you ate 6 goats. Where are the remaining 4? Before I come church this morning, I killed the remaining 4 goats, then they fire like this. Please forgive me, Father, for I have sinned. You ate the remaining 4 this morning? Then they fire like this, they don't. You must be mad. You are crazy. So now you come my house, thief 10 of my goats, eat and finish, go ahead and ask for forgiveness. Father, now your goat. Father, please forgive me for I have sinned. Let the Lord forgive you. Listen to me. The Lord will forgive you, but me, I can never forgive you. Come on, Father. I will cut you the way I cut my goat. Father.
Do you remember that song? Father, Father, hey. You know, Father, Father, hey. That was what the guy was saying. This one is just about spaghetti and it's like
You look like
in the face.
we're a couple.
Like this.
You are joking.
Yes, couple of friends.
And you don't know someone who just come from nowhere to shoot you, or the water will just flush them.
If you know shit, oh man.
Like flush them on the floor. And you still don't have sense that a bigger wave will come down. Pour this thing on the floor. Pour your food on the floor. Like, for your mind, you are catching for
Emotional, damn it!
Fight the river, 5 days. 5 days now. This is Brother Solo the Frog.
Madam, you do fast. I no get time. I work with time. No when I go start, I go say I shall to get pepper body. Meanwhile, money for hand, leg for ground.
How much did we bargain again?
At 25,000 till they break.
Don't worry, I will increase your money. I'll pay you $100.
Wow.
In gift cards.
You see? Madam Abe Ashawo, now cash or transfer they collect. Nothing concern Ashawo with gift card.
Don't worry, it's just for you to trade it and you get your money.
I don't know where to trade. You give my money before I open leg.
I heard you guys are arguing about gift card.
Don't mind this customer. Waiting concern Ashawo with gift card. She pay me in gift card and don't know where to trade her.
Very easy. Treat with Angel gift card. Their price are highest in Nigeria. They're fast and reliable. Download Angel gift card app on Apple Store, Play Store. Their price.
And from the way I'm seeing things, it's like this little girl is the owner of this Angel.
I just traded with them. Check.
She's the Angel, if I'm not mistaken.
I don't see a lot. No problem. So fast. Aww. Madam, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
That is small Chinese.
Madam. Undo.
I want us to try something different. So let's spice things up.
Spice. Oh gosh.
You see,
what are we
this
spicing up?
easy to blindfold your eyes.
How, Chim?
This is handcuffs for your hands.
Rono.
I'm going to use this to close your mouth because I don't want you to scream too much.
Wow.
Then you see this?
Oh boy.
It's easy to whip you.
Ha!
You're gonna enjoy it.
Madam, I don't understand you. You want beat me? I be you for Kukuma tell me say you want put me for court. Show me all these ones.
It's going to spice spice up the whole thing. You
Spice
enjoy it, trust me.
Adam, I know they do.
What if I increase your money to $200?
Ha! Madam, wipe me.
Trust me, you're gonna like it. No, we've started it. We have to complete this.
Complete waiting. I don't do.
Guys, we see what your mouth cannot stop.
Jesus. What shield?
This man.
See, I don't tell me you go your ass. If I go toss you go front. This relationship they stress me.
You're giving me high blood pressure.
What did I do now? How am I stressing you?
Bless that money you give me 9 million.
Wait till.
Babe, I'm sorry. How am I stressing you? Babe, now talk to me. I'm sorry.
Bros.
Where did they want this one? Who will be this one?
Now, baby, they give you money for relationship. Now they send packing. I talk her. I say this is going to put me for problem. Babe, what do you do for outside? Babe, come inside now. I don't say they advise me. This is both no good for my head. You know. This your skin, this melanin. No way you do. Boss, I beg thank you. You don't say not be very research you get for me as man, not be go pursue me more fast.
As I dey now, money I dey chase.
Now money I dey chase, oh, I don't tell you, I know they chase anything is money. How can you be chasing out somebody that's paying?
Like you know,
what is wrong with you? What the hell is wrong with you?
No, imitating, or let me say, imitating Nigerian actors.
Do you understand? I love you for who you are, and you're gonna love me back. Do you get it?
Okay.
Because I'm nobody want to treat me like a nobody scumbag. It is me, Nino, and you for life. Do you understand that?
You would have stayed now. You would have stayed.
Why didn't you stay back so you will know the amount of time we will come back and get this? And now it's all the fault is on me up where? Now it's me that will blame as the opera. Abi? Rana, listen to me. Don't be stupid. You understand what I'm saying? Stay back next time. It's not me. Oh, every time more. It's not me.
I'm sorry for stumbling onto you like this. I just came by to see if you were in class. Fortunately for me, you are outside the class, right? My bad. I got you ice cream because the weather is hot, so we could get to catch up next time and also, get to see.
As what now? Are you okay? I don't need your stupid ice cream.
Shut up your mouth, Osiso. I don't want wahala, but if wahala come, no wahala. As you did so, you are just a lying dog. You go marry a person, you don't know why you marry the person. You carry my money. This boy carry my money. Give us get out of so you know if you do anything. Yana Chomika, I tell you. If I hold you one corner, Metirigi, I will kill you. Who pour me this water? Your own don't talk.
I will never, ever, 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 ever accept being your boyfriend. Do you understand me?
George, you're making a mistake. I want to help you because I love you.
God is my helper.
Mike is really tried.
My darling.
My darling.
Leave my mother out of it. It's just me and you, Sandra. My darling is me and you, and you know what we plan for ourselves. Please, darling.
Oh my
Sandra. Darling.
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 Darling. Darling. This is how I used to say darling.
I said, go open the gate on me. I said, go right there. Go right there and open the gate on me.
That's the girl right there. That's the girl I want to marry. That's the girl right there. She got the big booty. She got the booty. She got the big booty. She got the booty. That's the girl I want to marry. Where you got a big booty?
Oh my god, like Mama Chinedu is something else with different talent, like. But I really love that Dolly part, but it actually killed my Keziroye part and Yule Doche part. Let's see this one from Mr. Ogaroland.
Hello, good afternoon, sir.
Who, please? Afternoon, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir. Please, do you live around here?
Yes, I stay here.
This compound?
Yes.
Oh, thank God. I'm looking for a house. I don't know if you guys have any vacancy around.
Oh, like how many bed?
Just like one bed. One bed is okay.
One bed?
Yes, sir. One bed.
Single girl. I guess the single girl.
Yeah, single.
Yes. Okay, we have a 2 bed. Also have 1 bed.
Oh, thank God. Yeah. Sir, please, how about lights? Do you guys have lights in this environment?
24 hours light.
Oh, thank God.
Yeah, I know you love light.
I can see the road. I think they are working on it. Are they going to finish it?
The road? Okay. Except you get car. Do you have a car?
Oh, yes.
It's okay. All right, a quick one. May I give you my agent number?
Oh, thank you very much.
Call him and then, okay.
Just
talk to him.
Yeah, help me.
Okay.
Just put it there.
Now this phone. Fine, good. Okay. Call him, eh?
I will.
Call him.
Thank you, I will.
I go like make you be my beautiful neighbor.
I know, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Let's watch this video.
Sir,
who are you?
I'm sorry to bother you. I don't know. My phone, the number just wiped out.
Yes. I did not say go wipe. Now Android. Where your second iPhone? Make I put number.
Oh, no, I don't have. This is the only phone I have.
Stop it. I'll find girl like you. See this kind of with this kind of breast. You can't use Android.
I don't have money now. When I have money.
There is money. Money then. You know one do hook up.
This man don't hide.
Make I put on for you again, Not just they waste this beauty and this match. Trying to add small hookup. Inflow good day.
Him out. The advice saying God is actually saying, I don't know if he's telling the truth. This one that I just feeling from him like crazy. Like you are in Lagos, they stole something from you and you want to go and chase the other person. You're going to lose everything like crazy. Let's see what will happen now. Oh yeah, switch on that sound for me.
This shocked me.
Waking up now as an adult versus when I was a child.
Babe, let's come and put on the gem.
Yeah?
Babe, let's come and put on the gem.
Waking.
Why are you running?
Waking.
Why are you running?
Yes, stupid. Why is it like this? Why did he? You can't just say yes to and leave A or B or why B?
La Sisi.
Dissolve!
Where water? Pour water on his face. Pour water on his face. What kind of children is this? What kind of children are these?
God have mercy upon us.
Wake up. They do like a bolo. They do like a bolo. Go and get ready for school now. It's so hard. Wake up your brother.
Very clean slap.
Leave there. They do like millipede.
There is no amount of weight you
go and get ready for school.
Just
if I come and meet you there again.
Body scratching that
body. Hey, La Sisi.
Look at it. What kind of sleep that you want to sleep now that you have not slept before in your whole life? Do you want to sleep all the sleep in your own life? Let's see this one, guys. Famous.
Hello.
Hi.
Wait, is that no Bison? Your ex?
Yes.
What's she doing here?
Oh, I forget to tell you, we are back together. She came back begging.
Does she live here?
Yes.
Does that mean everything is fine?
Everything is fine. I go, no worry, join me, we'll do the job. Show now.
Ex.
Wow. My bro, they on the drugs now.
Are you playing?
What do you
come, bro? What's the meaning of this?
My brother, prevention is better than cure.
Okay, me, you can't die for your sins. She fit not put her for pepper soup. She can't put her for your lamb.
This is serious. This is serious.
Alpha guy, how you been now? It's late already. So I and my babe are going upstairs to sleep.
Hey! I beg go.
Una the off light?
Yes, now.
Una the off light?
It's normal. Anytime I want to sleep, we always off the light.
Now, wow.
Relax. Are you playing?
What's going on here?
God have mercy upon us.
You never see anything.
So this boy no get sense.
I'll off the lights now.
God help me now that day. Now, wow.
But from today, they wash your back. Anywhere they go, they wash your back.
This guy, he can't stupid.
Does it mean they can now add poison to somebody's body through by offing the light? Like, I don't understand. Put it on your body.
Hey,
Black, let's go.
You come.
God help me now that day.
Waka fast now they call you. Can you imagine?
God help me.
Come here now. What's wrong with you? Yes, Mr. Man. Who are you and where did they go?
I'm somebody. I'm going to somewhere.
What do you do for a living?
I do small cultism with a little bit of Yahoo.
You want to see crazy?
What's in inside this bag?
Tools.
What's in inside this bag? You tell me tools.
Guns with some touches of daggers.
Jesus! Run, Jesus!
This thing on your neck.
Jesus!
What's that?
Odeshi. If you shoot me, no go enter.
Out of me and you!
Officer, if I won't do your work.
You can go, you are clean.
I thought as much.
Alpha, any show? No, it's clean. Yeah. Hey you! With a little touch of look, I can tell you're a criminal. But shut up, don't talk anything.
Transfer that.
Life is simple.
Transfer that. Exactly what's happening in this country. The people that they cannot catch that is actually guilty, they will carry the anger of poison on an innocent person.
I like this your package. I would like make you just deal with me for like 2 days so that I can take care of your nails, your hair, your outfit.
Waiting this one, Papa, the talks for you.
I'll pay.
Are you sure you can pay my bills?
Yes. Just name it. Give me the price.
60 million.
60 million naira?
Yeah.
Just a minute. Let me make up.
60 million change now. Change for what you
Hello,
say.
Kekere. Eje, close up. I be now. I did the land where you won't tell me say make I help you buy. It's okay like that. Don't say you never make payments. I never won't make. I won't make now you call me. Never make payment too. I get another land where I deal with here now, and the land, I like the land too.
He shock you. It's cold.
This land where I deal, he gets your vote. This one where deal with me here. Now even at the person where hold the your phone, now me and the person gather the. This house where I deal, he get minerals and salt. Kekere, see what you dey talk now. He say that one get mineral. This one where me deal with here get minerals. Can't get plenty years for back.
You want there?
I be now. If now you, which one you go buy? Farouk.
Like, don't tell me that you want to collect your money that you want to buy, that you want to use to buy landed property for a woman. Expenses just for 2 days. My guy, you will go broke.
Hello, Philip, I beg. I need your help like this. Now, one of my friends will be pilot. He say he want travel go Canada. Tell us I go like jackpot. Now he talk say okay, make a run enter plane. As we enter inside plane now, he don't need to reach how many hours. More time he talk say we don't reach. I come down from the plane. Philip, you know what you believe? I know they Canada, they Mozambique. I beg if you have me some small transport, make I enter bus, come back Nigeria because I know all anyone. Oh, they Mozambique!
Nah, me there Mozambique. Mozambique is empty. Like, how come you vanished to this place? Are you sure you're telling me?
That one kill below you go. I no get 1 kill, but I get 500. Wow. Bro, how far that my 1K? I know who 1K, but na 500 it is.
Wait, you don't owe me 1K now. You don't forget that time where I trade my Bitcoin, USDT, and Pi Network with Flourish Trading Hub, where you can't ask me for 1K. Where I can tell you they get the best rate too. You don't forget. Oh,
I'm 500 at home. Bro, that 500 where they owe you. Alpha, that 500 what they owe you, now be this. Oh, thank you. Bro, now your balance. Oh.
Okay, that means you don't balance like this.
Correct. Money is just money is just current. Can flow from one person to another.
Juliet. How much madam they even pay you for salary for this house? Because work way they do for this house plenty. How much did they give you?
Now 20,000 should they pay me.
I talk am say this my wife they cheat me. I they give madam 30,000, mean they pay you monthly.
Jesus. Okay,
now wait till they give my wife, make sure they pay you monthly with that. Nothing spoil. It's nothing. Make I give you 50,000. I want to harvest this your waist. Eh?
I no fit.
Which one be say you no fit? Madam no go no. Eh? She no cuckoo day house. Now when she know they make we just hurry do am before she go come back. Or ya 70,000.
See, me I no lose my respect for this house.
No worry. After we do and finish, I go see they respect you. But they respect me. Once I collect her. You know say my wife come flat. Eh? Just give me this. Make I don't hand or 100,000.
Your wife
150,000. I don't need any excuse. I just want to have it, yeah?
Telling her I love you.
See, now because my mama the village they sick.
Now you are talking. I hope you know about me. There's no problem, eh? There's no challenge.
But make madam no know about I don't want to lose my job.
Musa!
Hey, okay.
That might change will remain with you. Help me use and collect 2 packets of condom. Fast.
Okay, come up.
Fast. Come now. Relax. Fast. Now we go. Nobody gonna know.
2 packets.
Oh! I'm gonna say go don't wait. Nothing. Musa, stop the worry for your head. Eh? Are you normal? I sent you to go and buy something for me. You came inside here. You have to drag me from food I'm about to eat. And you're even jumping on top of the food. You be like say you don't like your job again. Start up from that place. It's high time you leave this house. Yeah, I can see that you don't want this anymore. Now leave this place.
Can't get man.
Bring what you carry come away. In short, let me go run. There is no need anymore.
You want to go wrong?
Okay, no. Okay, wait.
God have mercy upon us.
Okay. Because of that, Lord, they follow you. They shine you too much. Now any food where I want chop, they hungry you. Now you don't even want chop or get food. Eh? Oh yeah.
Okay, this is what they do now for your good, though.
Okay, come on from this place. In short, I will sack you after now. Don't worry. I will employ another person, eh? Maybe get relaxed. Don't worry, no go pain you. My thing small. And I no go last pass like this.
How do you want God to punish you? It's like mad people are doing what they inside your head.
On your back. Thank God you are back.
Oh, you are happy your thing is small. You don't go last long.
Imagine Musa and the maid. Waiting that they display for this parlor. I just come out from bathroom and they hear voice. Leave me, don't leave me, leave me, don't leave me. I said, let me check what is going on. I saw 2 of them. Look at what they're doing. Yeah. Musa, in short, this boy, you have been sacked from today.
Opportunity.
Okay, I can explain. Don't worry yourself. I will make sure I sack you. Go out there, pick your bags, and leave my house immediately.
Honey, please don't worry. That is not why I'm here. Camera boy, please, keep yourself. Listen. This camera you guys fixed for me yesterday is not working well.
No.
I can only see videos. I'm not hearing any sound.
I'm sorry, man. It's not my fault. The guy that fixed the camera forgot to touch the sound.
Don't worry. Let me play the one of today for you.
Honey? Okay, don't fix camera for the house already.
Oh, I'm sorry, honey.
I did not even inform me that you fixed camera in this house.
I fixed it yesterday. One of the guys came to fix it for me yesterday when you were not around. Okay? But I did it for our own good. I don't understand.
Our own good is eventually going to put him in big trouble. When you say, my thing small.
So if you say you love me, baby, don't play me.
Babe.
Baby, don't play me because I get the money to take care of your
different types of
money.
people when their partners get pregnant.
Hey, babe, sorry to disturb. Babe, the test result shows I'm pregnant.
Are you joking?
No, I'm pregnant.
Wow! Wow, my baby!
We are excited.
I'm happy.
Come here, baby, I love you.
You know what will happen? Is your passport still valid?
Sure, it's
because I don't want my child to now come and grow in this tipping regime. You are going to be leaving this country.
Oh my
Next
God.
week, let me call Mr. Josh.
Okay.
My visa guy.
Alright.
Just gonna start packing up your stuff.
Sure,
Don't worry, let me
baby.
call my visa guy. Producer, change that beat. I have a new song.
For real?
Hello, Mr. Josh. Let me do 2 years visa for my baby. New York. I want New York. Alright, let's go.
Check this beat now. Do you like it?
Just put the beat. Don't worry. It's for my baby now.
Let's go. Okay.
So 3 weeks pregnancy, don't fall down. Oluwa don't turn up. My pikin don't they come up. Yeah, don't they come up.
Babe, what's up? Babe, guess what?
Sorry, let me cut.
Okay. Babe, guess what?
What's that?
Okay, the test result is out and it shows I'm 3 weeks pregnant.
You're 3 weeks pregnant?
Yes, baby!
How do you know?
Yes, now I did a pregnancy test and the result shows positive.
And you're sure I'm the daddy?
Babe, how do you mean? You're the only one I'm dating now.
No, don't tell me that. It might be Pokiyo too, because I noticed you and Pokiyo, you're following each other on IG. Am I wrong? Are you and Pokiyo not following each other? Are you not chatting?
So if I'm following Pokiyo means I'm sleeping with Pokiyo. No, now it's you now, babe.
And you're sure it's my baby?
Yes, now it's your baby.
I know big deal now. I'm not a baby.
Babe, we are not married.
If we're not married, the baby now is what will strengthen our relationship. Don't worry. Come, let me take you somewhere first.
Are you sure?
There's somewhere we need to reach. Let's quickly reach somewhere.
We need to reach somewhere. Yo, this is how content creator does theirs. Like, they'll make it very simple with a serious query question like, what's your
Baby.
Yeah, baby.
This our baby shower picture is not getting engagement on Instagram.
I don't understand. How do you mean?
Like, the baby is not bringing engagement. Are you sure the child is my own?
The child is your own now.
No, you can't tell me that. If it's my true child, it's supposed to be bringing a lot of engagement to my page.
Not be juju be that.
No, I can't take this. I'm sure that child is not my own. That child belongs to Pokiyo. That child is Pokiyo's child. You went to seek Pokiyo few weeks earlier, yes or no?
Can you just stop this? Don't stress me, please. I'm pregnant. I need to rest. Don't stress me.
No problem. Let's go and do TikTok live. If gift drop from the TikTok live, there is my child. But if gift did not drop, you will find the true father of this child. Come, let's go. Let's go. Remove your jacket. Let the belly be shown so we can do live. Please drop. Jesus.
Hey, baby.
Oh, my love.
I think Saturday now.
Baby.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Hope you have helped me to communicate with Oga Landlord that rent I will not be able to pay again. It's until next month ending because our CEO, he has kidney failure, so we have to gather money for him.
Babe, there is a problem.
I'm pregnant.
I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant. You know what to do now. You do the usual that we used to do.
I don't know anything to do. I'm not aborting this pregnancy. Maybe I cannot keep aborting. I'm tired. I'm keeping it.
No problem now. We're my short couple now. There's no big deal if we have a child. I'm even happy. I'm just pulling your legs before.
Are you serious?
I'm very happy about it.
Thank you.
Let me keep my bag. Let me talk to my mom about the pregnancy. I'm coming. Pampers 8,000 something. 8,005 for Pampers. Ordinary Pampers. And I go buy at least 3 times in a week.
But you said
25,500. Wait, how much could be my salary? We will collect 50,000 per month. How am I going to take you? It's impossible. No, I need to find a solution. I don't even know what to do. I know what to do right now. I don't even go for. I know what to do. Baby, I'm coming. I want to urinate. I want to use myself.
Where are you going to?
I want to use myself outside.
With your bags?
No, this I want to trash this one.
Close the door. Where are you going?
I want to trash this one outside. I'm coming back now. Just hold on.
You want to urinate? There is toilet upstairs now.
The one upstairs, water is not rushing. Just give me some minutes.
Baby, stop now. Where are you going with your bag?
I want to ease myself. I'm coming.
Babe, there is toilet
I want to
upstairs.
ease myself.
Run, no. This is wickedness. There is no enough reason for you to run away. Run and leave your pregnant woman at home.
Hello? Peculiar. Where have you been? You are close. I will beat you now.
Where are you now? I'm outside.
Yeah. Come now. I feel say you no go come before.
No come.
Let's go.
Look at his leg like a toothpick. No wonder carrying an oversized woman that is bigger than you. With some small waist.
Man.
Oh, sir.
What did happen now? What did make una not get water for una hotel?
Hey, sorry, sir. Our company she get issue. They fix her now.
I bet muna go pop am
What
too.
happen for your room? They fight for your room. Which your blood full your mouth?
Brother, it reached to ask whether we dey fight. You see the girl with me and I enter my room
That
just
fine
now.
girl just now.
He not fine at all. He not fine. For what he do so, no call her fine girl. You dey see her so? Out of anxiety, now go give her head. See now, and she tell me say she no dey see her period. I bet when I go do the water, I bet go do the tap.
They fix her now.
Go, make her dey see her phone and dey active.
Sorry, headmaster.
I bet follow girl.
What did you just call him? Headmaster.
Wait, not beg me, not beg me at all. Don't just hear me.
Don't know what that you are. You are being called headmaster.
Don't beg me. See what you do. After I give you 30,000. If footballer get injury, they know they play ball, but on our way they are shadow for quality here. On a the see on a period. On a go to the come work. On a the stressful. At the vessel.
So that is now injury. Footballer get injured, they are not they play ball. But these guys they must play because still pain regime we are. Let's see this one from Yuri. Too funny. And I think this is Yuri's parent acting. It's going to be very hilarious. Watch.
What kind of nonsense is this? How do you serve me food in my house without spoon and water?
You never get lucky I will cook food for you. If you cannot go to the kitchen and get your spoon and your water, then you forget about it. Now marry you, I don't be your slave.
You haven't talking back at me. Do you want me to send you slap?
Hey, you have to beat me. Oh yeah, now beat me. Oh yeah, beat me. Beat me now. Beat me, make you wanna touch me. Hey, I want you know so I be up again. Rubbish.
Hey! Photo! Not be juju be that!
God. Which kind of wife you give me?
Go and ask your grandfather. When will you marry me? You forgotten. You don't know that she's going to. Let's see this one from Ima Konzi having an encounter with fine woman.
See this fine girl. The girl sharp. I don't know whether if you go give me a phone number. You can just try. May I ask her whether if you go give me a number. If she no agree, I go lock up. You can try.
Fine girl. What's up now?
Side eye.
Which side are you going to? From one. That's the same side I'm going to. I'm Emmanuel. I don't know how far. I would like to have your number. Maybe one of these days we can chill out.
Chill out, Abi.
If you don't mind. What's going on here?
I wonder.
Say faith, right?
Faith, yes. Save it with faith.
Anna.
Okay.
Panje. For your own money.
You don't pay you now.
Come give me your own money.
You don't give me money.
No, he no pay for you. I want him for no for you.
You don't pay for me.
No pay your own money.
You don't hold yourself.
I only
say
same pay.
Hey, fine boy. Excuse me, I beg you, Vex. Let me come here.
You got like, were you expecting him to pay? I don't understand. You give him money, make him because collect your number.
That line where I give you a friend, I just remember saying it to connect. So I give you the second one. So that if you call, you know, go, the next one will do.
Okay.
My SKITS MTN number. Please don't tell why I use them. Nah, faith is one. But see about faith in second line, yeah?
Okay.
My ordinary person they cannot pay. I'm gonna take notice. Broke food. Animals, if you near me next time, I don't even forget where I do this. Okay, one left. Ordinary person have to take me to collect their number. No get money, no go rest. Follow me.
Ordinary 500. Why?
Delete now this girl, delete this number. Now more safe for this Nigeria. Any girl will meet for keke or any girl will collect her number for inside public transport. You must pay for her transport. That one no be law now. Me broke boy. You get it? Wait till they.
You should have just showed her love, at least just paid for her so that she will see, oh, this guy is a kind and a gentleman. You just work out the go, but the girl on herself is too much for her.
How you doing now? God bless you, sir. You know, I don't look for you since. I want you to accept Christ, you understand? I need you for Christ.
I never eat and food no dey.
Okay, you never eat? Yes. Don't worry, in heaven there is food. So I will recover you for Christ. My brother, you behave yourself. When I empty belly, I take up preach for you. You behave yourself or you go accept Christ. You not go accept. You not go accept. You not go accept Christ. You resist me.
Give me food.
I see you resist me.
Give me food.
I say you go accept Christ. You resist me.
Give me food.
You resist me. You resist me. I say you go accept Christ. You resist me. No problem. I carry you. Go meet this Christ. As soon as I don't want peace, I give on a war. Be like the great. I use the test stone. Thank you for watching. Comment and share.
Now, wow. Thank you guys for sticking around till this moment. I want to say a very big thank you to you guys that watch this comedy up to this extent, because it's only when you watch to this extent you will actually get an information about how we go on this platform. So guys, if you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe and make sure you turn on post notification bell icon, and also like and share this video, comment, share it to all your social media platforms. Do that now before you leave, before you swipe out. All right guys, let's quickly dive into some funny reviews that you might not be able to observe in this comedy compilation. All right, let's see something. So you can as well, you know, comment or give your perception concerning this comedy video, the compilation. I mean, you can as well, you know, comment any part you know you enjoy the most. Comment it. Commenting is free. There is no any specific amount to be paid before you can comment. It is free. So what are you waiting for? Why are you wasting time? Why are you hesitating? All right guys, quickly dive into the comment section and let me see your. Let's go guys. I'll actually be talking about this particular comedy, this particular one. Wait, you are a girl and you gave a guy your number in the vehicle or whatsoever, and at the end of the day you realize that the guy paid for himself alone and, you know, go away. without paying for you, and you went to call him back and like, come. Why didn't you pay for me? You collected his phone and delete your number that you're already giving to him. That is not how it works. That is not how it works. Such girls might end up being a gold digger at the end of the day, because giving the guy your number mean you actually telling the whole world, or you actually like making it seems that you are a gold digger. It is only money you have in mind. Like you're exchanging your number for money. At the end of the day, if the guy started treating you bad, you say men are this, men are scorpion, men are this, men are that. You are actually going to be the one to present yourself in a way you should be respected. You know, that is how it is. And I really love this comedy. I love it. I really love it. He said, is it must that we must pay to collect number? I don't understand. Go and ask your grandfather. So guys, let's actually see Mozkoh on this one. Mozkoh. Like, I'm beginning to wonder the way Mozkoh is actually, you know, releasing comedy back to back this period. I think it's because of the Ember that is approaching, or I mean it's because of Christmas that is approaching, or what. The guy's actually dropping back to back unlike before, and I actually love it because it's actually causing a lot of traffic on his page. I mean Instagram page, actually causing a lot of traffic and engagement. So guys, let's see what Mozkoh is up to in this particular compilation. Mozkoh. So you are owing MTN, and you actually know that these MTN people are looking for you, and you are the one they are looking for. Even they are arresting other people, you are the one they are actually looking for. You are the one they are actually looking for. And you could not even mention the amount they are owing you, and at the end of the day, you started running. I love that part where you started running. Now me that they look for. Now me, I love the way he talks. Like, that guy is creative. I love his comedy. And if you love Mozkoh, let me see your comments. So guys, what is the next in this comedy compilation? Wizzy comedy. Like, Callmiwhizzy is one guy that, you know, started with one pattern, and now I think it's not longer going on with that pattern anymore. Like, I don't know if he has forgotten where it started from. Like, there are a lot of people who are actually missing that pattern he started with. Like that crying baby, you know, he used to rock powder on his face, and you see him crying. At the end of the day, the other guy that you have, the other guy behind the camera will be heard telling him that, Wizzy, you know, they crying now. Why you they crying? That guy, you know, that was how they started, you know, this comedy stuff. But right now, I think Callmiwhizzy is actually doing a random kind of comedy, like just shooting just like other comedians, without a specific pattern. I would suggest that it should stick to that specific pattern it started with. It's just a way to you can upgrade it in a very, you know, hilarious manner, or in a very hilarious way, instead of, you know, shooting comedy randomly like normal comedians who started with a just normal way. You know, I don't know if you know what I'm talking about, but this particular comedy, how can you say this is a car? You actually got it, and the whole thought you're normal, and then at the end of the day, you said there is no fuel. Meaning, if there is fuel, you would have like driven the car like to where? And I love when the guy say, hola. It's not normal. I never normal finish at all. It's not normal. Something needs to be done. It needs to also stay here for 1 more night for better checkup. I think so. So I think that is for that. So what is the other one? Ogaro land. His mouth. And we're talking small. But the thing that is coming out from his mouth can kill anything. Poison. How can you be advising someone to engage in a hookup business just because that person said she doesn't have money? You are, you know, telling her to go, she has this and back, she should apply for this so that there will be inflow of money. I love this guy, and this guy is actually doing well, but I think he's underrated. Or Garoland, official Garoland, is actually doing very well. That is why you can see his comedy in this comedy. And the next of our list is this man here. Amanaija. Who they take down? Hey, this Kana guy. Oh my God. it started like play. Now look at where he is, and before now, to just give him 2 years or before ending of next year, you see him with a huge followers numbers of followers, and this guy's actually doing well. I love his kit. You, when they tell you, say somebody that owns the house, somebody that rented the house, his girlfriend served him some food, and he told that girlfriend that I don't want it. You carry him, say you want chop. Like, now you fit chop. The person when get as me girlfriend give food, you don't want chop. You know, fit from there take figure out, say there is problem. That's an opportunity for you to think that pepper soup incident that happened between a girl and his ex, a guy and his ex. But you don't think anyone, you they chop rice. Wow. Now after you can't know say quarter day, and you can't they do play. If now they buy person, you go down by that is if the girl no put something, because the way I think, the way I see the quarrel, she don't already put something and you don't already eat anything when you put there. Alright guys, I think we've come to the end of this comedy compilation, and I hope you enjoyed the video from beginning to the end. If you do so and if you don't subscribe, go and do that immediately, and also comment, like and share this video to all your social media platforms. We're going to be calling it a day.